Hello everyone. I need to share this hierarchy modeling. We discovered again a large discrepancy which I have brought up before but no responses as of yet. Despite that we are anxious to hear from the experts. In either case, here is our solution. Tetrakaidecahedron or Lord's Kelvin minimal space. In a Z model or Zubek model, it equals to 192 modules or 32 small cubes or 4 large cubes. This is the lowest common denominator. So this is the Lord's Kelvin minimum space, and this is how it looks from a top view. It's not finished because I don't have enough cubes, but this is the midsection, this bottom in here, and this is the top section, and the bottom I don't have enough blocks, so it has a gap, but on this bottom you attach this top portion and you would have a, what's the name of it? Tetrakaidecahedron. This is basically an arrangement of isotropic vector matrix, because you could use spheres because everything in here is just like in an IVM. It's a regular tetrahedra alternation with octahedras or half octahedras, and this in a larger matrix it's saying like isotropic vector matrix, and this is just one chunk derived from that. And so of course this can be modeled with volume identical spheres, and they would touch, and these edges would be prime vectors, of course, following consistently the concentric hierarchy and using only one sphere as an isotropic vector matrix sphere. In other words, we don't need to flip around with spheres like Synergetics does. So our solutions are very simple and very consistent. In Synergetics model, now I want to emphasize that this has 192 blocks or 32 small cubes like that, or 4 large cubes like that. 4 of these large cubes. This is a Synergetics cube, by the way, the 72 blocks or 48 blocks of my cube. These are the B module surfaces in here. So that's what we have. In Synergetics model, this equals to 2,304 modules or 32 large cubes. 32 of these cubes. This cube. 32 of them, not 32 of these, 32 of these. So it has 2,304 modules. It is exactly 12 times the difference, not 1.5 as it should be. If it would be 1.5 with this conversion number, the Synergetics module count should be 288 in a consistent account. This 1.5 ratio difference is now accepted by Synergy experts, yet this conversion, as I stated before, does not work consistently. But no one on a Synergy list even has a clue or even considers this discrepancy to be of any problem whatsoever. This is really unique to Synergetics. Any other branch of science would consider such large discrepancy as being problematic. But no, not in Synergetics. In Synergetics, this has been valid for decades. Here, Erdner inserts a philosophy, and voila, it works. This is just great. This is similar to Obama's administration. They're printing money, just fixing the economy. What a direct and brilliant solution. I wish I had thought of that. I will have to come back to the rhombic triconta and to rhombic dodecahedrosity. Please tune in for this comedy segment. We all love the Synergetics' brilliant approaches and the scientific rigor. We appreciate Koski's and Erdner time-consuming teaching. What a great contribution to geometry these two experts are. We are all ears. I am in pain, but it only hurts when I laugh. Guys, you two should get into geometrical stand-up comedy. It was never done before It is original, and you two are funny as hell. Thank you all. Just tune in for the next segment.